Hey, Tech Code Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a video in Canva with music. So to start with, we're going to click on the Create tab, and from there I'm going to click here. You can type in what you want to create, but I'm going to click on Landscape Video. If you're making a YouTube video, you can click on YouTube Video. So from there, we're going to either upload a video or use the videos that Canva has available. If you have your own video that you want to add music to, you can look over to the left-hand side and upload it from your computer. For this tutorial, I'm going to scroll down and use one of Canva's videos. So you can search the videos and type in whatever you want to get a related video. So I'm going to click on man running on beach and choose something. So I quite like that one. So I'm going to click on that one. So I have my video now. So now we want to add music. So again, you have the opportunity to upload your own music if you have specific music you want to use. If not, I'm going to use the music that Canva has available. So I'm going to click on Add Audio, click on Music, and from there you can scroll through the music that Canva has. And again, you can search for specific music. So I'm going to say something like fitness, and you can go in and you can click play and listen to the different music tracks. Let's listen to this one. So that's quite good. It's quite upbeat. What about this one? And this one. So I quite like this one. So I'm going to add that to my video. Then let's have a look at it with the video now. So I quite like that. The music kind of builds with it running along the beach. And remember, you can do some edits. If you want to change the length of the video, you can click on the video and you can drag it to your required time. And remember to do that with the music as well. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.